I'm Michael, I'm a custom integrator and I've been doing this work for 18 years now. It's a passion of mine, and basically custom integration means that we link a lot of technologies together that make them work in harmony. Simple things like air conditioning, power, AV, security, we can bring all these technologies together and actually have them talk to one another. Doing this, we can activate scenes, we can activate commands and chains of events that are going to happen because A, you touched this button, or B, you walked into this zone. We needed to use home technology in this place because the lighting designer had up to 20 circuits of lighting per room, which we didn't want all the walls to look like a 747 cockpit. So in order to do that, we set scenes, and scenes can be done on the touchscreens or the keypads or the typical switches around the place. When you press it, it can activate the lighting to a pre-desired setting so that you can just enjoy your rooms rather than have to focus and set them all up every time. We worked closely with the architects and tried to conceal as much of the tech as we possibly could and pay more attention to the architecture of the home. We don't want it to be intrusive on the walls and all over the place. It's important to keep it high tech but low visibility.
The client did want an integrated design solution. They really wanted to embrace technology. In this instance, I think it's been remarkably successful. It needs to be seamless. It must not interfere with the architecture. And in that instance here, it simply doesn't. It can almost be invisible. Artificial illumination and lighting can change the mood so much in a building. Whilst we create zones in architecture, I think they can really be enhanced by clever lighting design. And I believe that that was very successfully achieved in this scheme.
The games room downstairs is a great example of lighting design. It has a beautiful bar in there that's custom made. It's a long room, so they've enhanced the length of the room with the strip lighting down the walls. There's some focus lighting around the room, isometrics. It's also got a beautiful bar with key details in it, which have all been highlighted by the use of light.
Well, this was the first time that MOS Architects had worked with Wired, and we were delighted. I think throughout the build, nothing was too hard, nothing was too difficult. Notwithstanding their technical ability to actually realise this highly integrated scheme, it was just pretty much a pleasure to work with them throughout the duration of the scheme.
I'm most proud of this property because the clients are really impressed with the technology that we've implemented into the home. It's improved their lifestyle, and every day they get to touch, feel and play with it, so it's something that they're not going to easily forget. If done right, it's a real value add to the property.